Good day, every British chap watching this British chap show that isn't for British chaps. What the fuck does that even mean? I'm just gonna go now. Ooh, what's over there? Ah. Yeah. Who's this guy?
We remember the free man. We are coterminous. There is no distance between us. No false veils of time or space may intervene. We see you still in Black Mesa. Clearly we see you in the Nihilant's chamber. We bear witness to the bright eternity of the Nihilant's demise. You leap, you fall, we see you flash between the barriers. For a brief time you joined us, you are one between the worlds. Communion of the vortessence, and that other, a deeper mystery, no deeper than the void itself. We cannot forget those whose cords you cut. Forgiveness is not ours to bestow. Unity of purpose, the shattering of common shackles, a single road we tread. Your song we sing and shall sing for eternity, no matter the consequences of this struggle. You have brought us grief and jubilation beyond measure. We are there still in observance of your final stroke. While our only scattered at your feet, you severed the vocal cord that bound the Nihilants to life and to us. That sharp spur of hope has not dulled to this day. For once the lesser master lay defeated, we knew the greater must also fall in time. With you besides us, a talisman of victory, the day of freedom draws nigh. Your bright face obscures your darker mask. We call you Sib, although your mind and meaning are a mystery to us. Far distant eyes look out through yours. Something secret steers us both. We shall not name it. We have endured these chafing bonds for eons, yet a single moment of further servitude seems intolerable. How often have we slipped our yoke only to find it choking us again?
Okay, I'm gonna leave now, but that was really cool.
Our finest hope.
Ready for this? Made it. Alright. That was neat, but we're finally out of here, and I probably wasted a good 30 minutes of the video. Wrong way. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna jump up there. Okay. What's in here? Look at all this. Well, that was neat. Looks like they were waiting for me or something. I think I'm supposed to go that way. Wait. Who the... Oh, that son of a bitch. That was him, wasn't it? Should I go get the airboat? Fuck it, I'm just following him. Come back here, you son of a bitch. Ooh, lever. Okay. Did I want to do that? I take it I want to go that way now. I'm going to have to walk all the way back. There's the airboat. This place is great ambience, I must say. I thought I opened that. Oh. Well, now, do I have to like climb over it? Oh, I'm gonna jump. Did I just lock myself? Well, I want to keep the airboat, so... Why? Why? Sure. I'm gonna save here.